So everyone's talking about how AI is stealing their jobs, but nobody's talking about how AI is creating jobs for people. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of jobs that AI has created that you can actually jump on in this AI era. All right. So I know that AI has been taking a lot of jobs, have been replacing a lot of careers, right? Uh, However, if you look closely, there are a couple of new opportunities that this AI invasion have created. All right. So with these opportunities, you can also try to learn these skills. If you learn these things, if you try to get into these opportunities, then you will carve a space for yourself no matter what happens. All right. So let me show you a couple of jobs that AI has created and that you should probably get your eyes on. First one is AI prompt engineering. This one's a no-brainer, of course. Prompt engineering, someone needs to prompt AI to give you the output that you desire, all right? And that's where prompt engineers come in, right? People that are able to study the LLMs, study the models, the systems, and know what they need, right? Because the better the input you give AI, the better the output it gives you. Okay, so if you're able to give it a great input, you're able to prompt it properly, then it will give you a great output. And there are people who study these things, they're called prompt engineers, all right? So AI has created a lot of jobs for prompt engineers, right? For AI prompting. So people can actually go and learn how to prompt the system, prompt a tool properly, and then you can actually make a job out of this. Second job that AI has created is AI video content creation. That's where Faceless YouTube falls under. Okay, so this is quite simple. People no longer need to sit in front of cameras like I'm doing right now, shoot, record, edit videos, and put them out. No, you can literally use AI to generate the script, use AI to edit the script, use AI to churn it out, create a thumbnail for it, add voiceovers to it, and literally all you need to do is post it. So yes, that's something that AI has created a job opportunity. So I mean, if you love stuff about video editing, if you want to like go into YouTube or other video content creation channels to start making money there, AI has made it easy for you. All right, so Faceless channel, they're doing very well right now. If you get the right niche and you talk about the right things, then you'd really succeed there. The third job that AI has created is AI tutoring or AI tool training. Okay, now there are a couple of people that just study a particular AI tool, get so much knowledge about it, learn everything about it, and then start training people. That's something you can do. Okay, you can pick a tool, Claude, Leonardo, Gemini, anything. You can literally just pick a tool, study it, or pick a couple of tools, study it, get a lot of knowledge on it, and become an AI tutor for this particular tool. So when you become an expert, people will literally come to you for anything about it. You can start sharing tutorials, sharing videos on YouTube or any other platform, talking about how to use these platforms. And a lot of people even get to sell courses that teach people how to use these particular platforms, right? So yes, AI tutoring is a thing and it's a new job opportunity that has been created by AI. Another one is AI visual creator or brand designer, right? So if you notice nowadays, a lot of people are using AI to generate a lot of images, product photos, brand assets, thumbnails. Most of these things can be generated with well prompted AI tools. All right. So if you're a designer, you can also go into AI and brand design, right? So you're creating images that people can use. A lot of people even take images with AI these days for their products. So you don't need to order a professional photography session. Okay, so yeah, that's something you can look into, and that's another opportunity that AI has created. Now, the final one is AI workflow automator. Now, people take the time to study how to connect AI tools to basic tools that you use on a daily basis, right? If you can connect them to AI, you can literally triple your productivity with those tools. And a lot of big brands and businesses are looking for how to get this done. Basically, integrating your normal tools, your everyday life with AI. This saves money, time, and honestly triples output. So that's another job creation opportunity that AI has brought about. So yes, guys, I know that AI is taking a lot of jobs, but if you look carefully, you'd see that it's also creating a lot of jobs in the process. So you should now step up and know how to, join the train, know what to learn, know what to produce, so that you become relevant infinitely. So that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope that if you got to this point, you are already subscribed. If you are not, if you're not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for staying till the end of my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.